Whoa, train, watch out. Are you throwing stuff at the train?
No way.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, no.
Wait, my train is leaving.
Stop being over dramatic.
Sorry?
Money's got stuck over here, can't work.
Oh my god.
Did I tell anyone?
I don't know.
Dude.
Run. Adam, run. Adam, run.
Viva, run! Viva, wait, run!
Like, I had a cool beard.
Really?
Go like this and then.
Was he mad?
He was like this. And I was like, sorry, and he was like, Danish, oh my god. Dude, she was chasing me.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, like, no.
Yeah.
Let's go.
One time's enough.
No.
Was the guy who I bumped into really mad? Or is he like, whatever?
I know, I said sorry and he ignored me and I was like, okay.
Wait, who?
This guy had Danish like harassed and like ran over him.
Oh. This weekend. Yeah, this
Naveen kalo na. Naveen. Very. No. Nazifa is on her frown. So many trophies she has in her hand. And Anam is doing what? And Hiba. Okay.
She's got big muscles.
Yeah, like her.
In her brain.
Hey, yeah.
Wrong place. I knew something was wrong. Now we know what it is. How much is it? $5. It adds up fast. Hey guys, we gotta go.
Nazifa.
Come on, we gotta go. Yeah. Why don't you wanna go? We have to go home to your house. You have to help your cook the pat.
Come on, you have to go. It won't work without the quarter.
No.
Come on.
You know what to build.
It's a bell.
Very nice. America is very nice. Houston is really good. Really good. Thank you.
Yeah, like I won't say anything. Never mind.
I
I know what you're gonna say. Yeah.
Thank you.
TIPPIP or like TIPI. You know.
That word.
I think you need a haircut.
Yeah, beta, I do. I don't have the money. Go, I'll go there now. I'll have a
No,
spike.
just tell them that you'll be a model, and then they'll.
Yeah.
They don't charge you.
I want to. Old model. Yeah, another one. How can people remain thin over here? Everywhere there are sweet things. Now, buy one, 2 times refilling.
Yeah.
Good. Yesterday we got one Coke and thrice refill. Again we got Coke, thrice refill. Nobody can become thin here.
Hiba can. Hiba and Anam.
Become, no?
Yeah.
See, fucker. What happened? You won, no? Won the game or lost the game? What happened?
We won.
I'm not talking. My English we lost.
The reason me and Adam are skiing now is because we have high metabolism. If it wasn't
Me
for
too,
that,
right? I had. You didn't see me when I was your age, because you weren't alive.
You were pretty skinny though.
You weren't
I've
born at
seen
that
it
time.
from photos. Yeah. I was lax.
You weren't alive.
I was lax.
She is dead.
You were just dying like
Huh?
all the way over there. Like,
Doing
When I
things.
come after 3 years, again I see by now. अच्छी बच्ची. भाई तो बड़ी हो जाएगी. मम्मा की शादी में मैं एक्सीडेंट में
where do you park?
We parked.
Keys.
You feeling better now? I can't even see you. It's so bright.
Very, very bad.
It's an Arabian person.
Arabian from Arab. Kangal Arabian now. Kangal Arabian. Proceeding towards the car.
Anam, you see it? It's on the right side. Wait for this car to pass and get on the side.
You guys walk in a line.
Get on the side. You're walking in the middle. Get on the side. Are you grumpy today? Yeah? Why are you grumpy? Huh? You went out to a movie. That's fun. Why are you sad?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, then we're gonna go home and eat.
I want food.
Yeah, but she's nice. She makes food for you. She's a good mommy. She takes care of you too.
Who?
Your mama.
चलेगा नहीं था वैसे कभी कभी देखिए ऐसे हाँ ये क्या पानी है इसमें Here I go oh
Honest, I can't start the car. I won't start.
हम कैसे लगे तुम्हें पर लिया भीजेगा भी कितना था ना
You know why? Because y'all automatically start and unlock it. Only the driver's supposed to do it with the remote.
place wait
Yeah.
I know. So there's one. The driver's seat. There's one right here that does it. If you do it the other one, then it messes it up.
potty 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 potty